Welcome to KEDA, the beating heart of China's manufacturing power. Today, join me inside a next-gen smart factory, built with new productive forces for the future. KEDA Smart Equipment Manufacturing Base, spanning 220,000 square meters, with Phase 1 covering half that size, and an investment of 1 billion RMB. For production halls, 2 dorms, and a staff center, all built from the ground up. 1 year since operations began in April last year, it's already attracting orders from global giants. What's the secret behind this futuristic factory? Let's find out. Traditional factories zigzag. KEDA moves in a straight line. A seamless, one-flow production system, zero backtracking, one-stop delivery, custom orders. Think of a transformer-like production line. Agile, fast-switching built for flexibility. The largest gantry machining cluster in the industry, minus 15 brand-new gantry mills, with precision within 0.01 millimeters, 1/10 the width of a hair. We've also got 12-meter laser cutters, robotic welding and coating systems, producing parts with mirror-like finishes. This is Chinese precision. From day one, every piece of equipment is embedded with smart chips, and with 5G connectivity, all machines sync in milliseconds. Real-time data flows to our industrial AI platform, bringing fine-tuned operations to life. Green goals built in. 7 megawatts of solar panels cut over 7,000 tons of carbon dioxide annually. Heat from compressors warms staff water, making every ton of steel processed a little gentler to the earth. Green and high-tech, they go hand in hand. New productivity powers a new manufacturing future. From China to the world, KEDA is shaping the future of industrial innovation.